legal vision, I would like to talk about the impact of visit by Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi to Japan, subsequently to China. It is a widely talked of the Sanso visit. It is not despite the Sanso, it is a official visit, and it is presumed to be a biggest impact visit subsequent of the tariff imposition by the USA on India. Among the friendly nations, India has been singled out by the USA. It is not an easy one to be consumed. India has taken a serious stand on it because Indian manufacturers, Indian exporters have got affected. It may affect the economy in due course, whatever may be. India has to find a new front and a new source for export, losing the export to the America. We don't need a resource of America only to live, to make our people strong and to live on the resource of our own economy, to become the self-reliant. We are the self-reliant nation. We are standing for long years. India is the old nation and the resource in the world. It's a old and really very ancient nation in the world. Ancient language is also in the world. But we have to think the government now is at the correct person, headed by correct person. One ship has to be captained by the proper captain. Like that, India captain now is the Prime Minister of India, is the correct captain. It has to be also properly guided, supported by the colleagues and whole ministry. Not only by that, but also the lawmakers and the judiciary also. But as far as the lawmakers are concerned in India, except Indian people, other opposition parties or the sounds of not supporting properly. They have to support the government and also in every stand against the enemy's voice. As far as the USA is concerned, the USA all of a sudden became the enemy like that. It has lost the friendship of India. That's why to find a new alliance and strengthen the alliance with the other people, the Prime Minister visited and utilized the two nations visit. And the SCO summit, which was used by the Indian Prime Minister. To the Japan, the Indian Prime Minister visited 2 days, and there the people and also welcomed, including Japan people and our one also people, and all facts had been signed by the also Indian Prime Minister there. The facts are also on artificial intelligence and more things, industries and the economy level and also finance and the security and the defense in all level. All the agreements have been signed between the two nations there. Having completed, the Prime Minister flew to China, where he found a good and strong resource and complete friendship between China and India. And also he met Mr. Putin, who was waiting for the Indian Prime Minister, and to cacophony, not only it's also showing the personal resource, the rapport, and also the between nations, the biggest rapport between the two nations. So it made the USA to think more why we lost the maximum of the songs on the day. The people of the one nation are accusing the Mr. Trump for the source of defending India by imposing unnecessarily tariff. But now they have begun to accuse and allocate in India. The India is also weighing out on diverting the sounds of from our route to the communism or nation, and also the Putin. Both are non-democratic nations. We are only a correct alliance with the India. So the India has to rethink it. Whatever may be, hurt is cut. Meantime, it is alleged the Prime Minister avoided a 4 phone calls from the Trump. When the German newspaper reported, it's alleged to have reported. Whatever may be, India has made a strong relationship and friendship now with the neighbor China and also the Russia. India is having a long-standing relationship with Russia. It cannot be avoided. So India is importing oil and more things. Despite more unnecessary allocation or imposed on India by the USA, India is ready and it has also restarted to work with China. The China Premier at the South Zone has invited in India with the South Zone warm hand. It is the best one. It has avoided the South Zone earlier. The joining hands with China and Russia will boost Indian economy and find the further routes for the export-oriented works. So India can rethink exporting at the South Zone to China and really Russia. It is welcomeable stand taken by India, utilizing the opportunity. But now all lawmakers have to support it. And due to this, the South Zone, the very strong tie-up, due to the South Zone, the fallout of the SEO summit, the most benefits and economic benefits may arise. And those have to be supported by our lawmakers and as well as the South Zone, our judiciary. The judiciary of the South Zone has to find ways and means on filing any cases. We have to the South Zone help. These are the South Zone newly arising economic and the South Zone friendship, which will be helpful to India. In future also it will be helpful to India for